What's going on, guys? For today's video, we have a Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 12 live cop. In my opinion, pretty banger week. This week is highlighted by the Salem collab, as well as the little gold bar dropping. The smaller bar is $2.98, and I kind of want to try to get that. However, I feel like that's like a single cart only item. Like, I got to add that to the cart and then check out. So I'm a little bit nervous that if I do go for that, I won't be able to get any of the other things I want to get. And I feel like there's actually quite a few things I want to go for. So the bigger bar is $6 grand, so we are going to pass on that. I was kind of iffy on these hockey jerseys as well, and for some reason I saw the logo taping track jacket last night, and I was actually kind of feeling this when I saw the on body pictures. I really like this orange colorway. However, I just don't really want to spend $178 on it. That's probably going to be a pass, but just know I'm going to be thinking about it. Then I really want the Salem hoodie. Like, this thing is so sick. I'm so shocked that all the Salem stuff is like all the way down at the bottom of the list. I want to get the black colorway, but I don't know, these Supreme hoodies that I got this season, they just fit terribly. So I'm kind of assuming that this is not going to fit that good, but I really want to get this. And if it's downvoted so much, I just don't really know if it's going to resell. So I'm not really sure if we're going to go for this or not. Like, this is what I'm saying. Like, this is a weird week because I feel like there's so many things I want to go for, and then I just don't really know if I'm actually going to go for them. Like, honestly, don't even know what the game plan is. I kind of want to single cart this one item that we're almost to, and then just see what I'm going to do from there. And I do like this patchwork beanie as well. They are $88, so that's going to be a maybe, even though I do feel like those are going to fly. Then the short sleeve top is $110, and again, it's downvoted pretty badly, so I'm not entirely sure that I'm going to go for that. And I kind of want to get a bunch of these small box baggy mesh shorts. These always come out. For $98 though, I kind of want to get a few of them, which is probably my main priority for the day. The Western hat I might skip out on. The Arabic logo I might skip out on. I feel like those type of hats haven't really been selling for me lately. And then the number one thing that I kind of want to go for, which might be a sleeper item, or maybe I'm tripping, is the repeat double knee denim shorts. I don't know, I kind of feel like this is going to be a sleeper item, and I don't know if I should go for brown or if I should go for blue. I don't really want to get both because if I'm wrong, this is going to be very unfortunate. So I think I might go for the blue colorway, and then I do want to get the socks as well. And wow, there's actually quite a few other items left. Then there's the track pants to go with it, which I do actually like those as well, but that's going to be one that we're going to skip out on. And the hat and the t-shirt, I think the hat is sick. I do kind of want to go for the hat. It's not like a main priority, and same with the other t-shirt, like the cheaper t-shirt. But if we can get some of the shorts and get some of the free shipping, I might go back. Like, I kind of feel like we're going to spend a lot of money. And then the jacket is actually the most downvoted item, which I don't know, that just sounds crazy to me. I thought the jacket was sick, but I thought most of this stuff was cool, but I guess nobody is feeling this stuff. This is like severely downvoted. So yeah, I really don't know what the game plan is. I do want to go for this gold bar, but I kind of feel like if I do, that's just going to mess everything up. Like, I feel like the shorts are going to sell out. I know they're super downvoted, but I have a feeling I think they're going to sell out. I don't know, maybe I should go for that gold bar. I just feel like I don't really stand a chance and it's going to throw everything off, but who knows, maybe I'll just single cart the gold bar. What are we feeling? I don't even know. So yeah, once I start the screen recording, maybe I'll have a better game plan. I just feel like I'm all over the place right now because there's like a lot of things I want to go for, but I just don't know if I should go for them. So this is kind of a weird week, almost like the opposite of what last week was. How I was like, I just want to get one cart, throw everything to the cart. If I don't get it, I don't get it. If I get it, I get it. This week is like literally the opposite. So I feel like this intro was very long. There was just a lot of things dropping, so there's a lot to talk about. So before we get into this live cop, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my brand Sudden. You could also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All this information will be in the description down below as well as on screen. I've been uploading some shorts too if you want to check those out. And I also have a playlist of all the previous live cops on my channel if you want to check that out as well. But all right, that's enough talking. Let's get into this live cop. And we are live on the live cop. We pretty much got about a minute left until the drop. I guess we could take a look at what dropped last week as we always do. Still haven't got any of this stuff yet. I do have faith that it is coming. But like I said, I'm pretty sure they fixed their shipping now, except this week is a little delayed. But besides that, I feel like they did fix the shipping for me at least. Oh yeah, I forgot we got the art dealer shorts and all that stuff. And these hoodies, which are pretty sick as well. And wow, this shirt is actually still, never mind, not in my size, but this shirt is still in stock in one size at least. Hopefully I'm not gonna regret not buying that, even though I do still kind of want it. Oh, and then did the short sleeve sell out? No, it didn't. So that part is unfortunate, and I think we did get a medium and it's still here, but I mean, whatever, we got what we wanted. We got a couple seconds left until the drop. So yeah, I think I'm just gonna disregard everything I said at the beginning, and I am just gonna go for the gold brick, single cart, and then whatever's left is left. And I kind of feel like that's gonna cost me the shorts, but it's whatever. We're just gonna try to get that gold bar. 2 seconds left, and we are live. Didn't go. Whoa, still didn't go. I think we just lost the gold brick, guys. There we go. Here's a small one. Add to cart. Luckily too, it is the free shipping. Dang, this one, yo, low key, this one's kind of difficult. Am I even clicking the right stuff here? All right, we are. We're good. Kind of feel like it lagged out there, and there's gonna be a queue. I kind of felt like there was gonna be a queue. We're through. Are we actually about to get this right now? Are we actually about to get this? No, we are not. Sold out. All right, so we're going back. We're going back, going to the new. That is crazy, unfortunate. So let's get these. This was the one I was kind of feeling. I feel like this is gonna sell out, but we're going for it. We're just gonna try to get a fat cart, and you know, if we get it, we get it. Wow, this actually is more money too than what everyone was saying. I kind of felt like we, what am I trying to say here? I kind of felt like we could have gotten, wow, you can get 3. So we're getting those. I don't even know what I got, but I need to remember that I got small. Is that everything? We're going for this checkout. No, the shorts. Dang, that gold brick did throw me off. I think the shorts are going to be gone by the time we go back. Hopefully there is no queue here so we can get right through, and I did mess that up, so that is sick. This is a terrible week, guys. Off to a terrible start. We still have no checkouts, and it is 11:02. No way. Okay, I was gonna say, wow. Hospital socks are gone. We are taking some L's. It's about time though. I feel like we haven't taken any L's in a while. Other hospital socks are gone. Dang, we are getting straight cooked right now. But did we get this? All right, so we got something. I feel like my shorts that I wanted to get are gone. Dang, we are getting cooked though. 3 of the things that we wanted are sold out. Is the Salem hoodie still here? It is sold out. Maybe I should have went for that. Still in stock, but guys, I have faith on these shorts. I have so much faith on these shorts, and I'm going for these. That pink, oh, it's a lavender. So I don't really like that pink. And then if any of these sell out, that's all right. The hat I got, wanted, did not sell out. So that is unfortunate because that was $98. Or $89. And the tee is gone. All right, we're just gonna try to check out with this, and I think we're just gonna call it good. But something's got to sell out. What even is this right now? All right, that was really weird. So we did get cooked on the socks, and we did get cooked on the gold brick, which is unfortunate. I feel like we still got a few things. I got the mediums and the smalls. I don't really know if I want any more of these shorts because they are kind of baggy. So clearly too, oh, and that shirt is still there. All right. So clearly, I think I should have went for this. I also feel like I didn't look at the camera. I'm very sorry. I feel like I should have went for this. I think I might have messed up not going for that. I wonder how fast that sold out too. And wow, both the jerseys, maybe I should have went for this too. I guess I was focused on all the wrong things. This being a $200 retail though, I don't know, I just wasn't really feeling it. Watch, the shorts have sold out in the opposite that I got. No, still here. Guys, I know they're still in stock. Something about these though, just give it some time. I kind of feel like this is gonna be a banger, but I only wanted to get one because clearly I must not have that much faith in myself. And these shorts should still be here. The tee. Okay, that hat I got did sell out, so that is good. I'm a little bummed out about these hospital socks, and I'm a little bummed out about this gold brick. I don't know why I thought I stood a chance going for that. I almost kind of wish I didn't go for that, and I just went for the hoodie instead. Wow, let me refresh here real quick, because I guess I could just end the screen recording. I don't really think I want to get another cart. Wow, what is going on? It's like the longest refresh. Let me go to new. Oh, we already got new. This shirt did sell out. And what was the price on this? Yeah, $118. So I can't be that mad. I didn't go for it. Dang, I guess I should have went for that hoodie. The white shirt still in stock. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it. I don't really need to get. Wow. Again, I didn't go for this and it sold out. How much was that? 58. Pretty much the new standard now. Man, I'm a little upset about this gold brick, but all right, we got cooked a little bit on this. I can't lie, but I guess I could end the screen recording here. And that's gonna do it for my Supreme Spring Summer 26 Week 12 live cop. Our streak has finally come to an end. We did lose 2 of the items. I can't believe we lost the socks. Gold brick, understandable. I kind of feel like if I didn't get thrown off by the new captcha, I think maybe I could have got through. But yeah, I got cooked on that. We got cooked on the socks. But we got everything else. I already forgot what we got. It's actually all in stock minus one thing, so I guess that's probably why I got it. I went for all the wrong stuff. I think I'm gonna regret not going for this hoodie. Like, if this hoodie ends up being worth a ton of money, I'm gonna be very upset. Maybe I should have just went for this. And wow, I forgot to check on the screen recording. I just wanted to look. That track jacket did sell out, so maybe I should have went for that as well. Did I just go for all the wrong stuff this week? I think on next week's live cop, I'm gonna try to see what the hoodie is at if I don't forget. I'm having a really bad feeling about this hoodie, guys. Like, the most ever. So if you cop this hoodie, I'm sure it's going to the moon. But let me know in the comments down below if you guys picked up anything from this week. And let me know what was your favorite item that dropped this week as well. If you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram as well as my Brandon Sutton. And you can also check out my store, The Storm Factory. All this information will be in the description down below. And don't forget, I have a bunch of other live cops, as well as been uploading some shorts on the channel if you want to check those out as well. Everything will be in the description down below. And lastly, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell to be notified anytime I upload another video. I appreciate all your guys' support, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.